Every day we take so many decisions. Decision about what to eat, what to wear, what to do, where to go, whom to talk. Likewise, many decisions we take. In life, we also take some big decisions about career, about education, about marriage, and many more. There are few decisions which we did not had control. We did not choose our parents. We did not choose our country of birth. We did not choose our society at the time of birth, and also we did not choose our religion. Religion is something which is belief or faith to pray to God and to find some answer which is not available through the normal means. Religion is the base, or religion is the foundation of the society. Different people have different belief, different religion has different faith, different belief, and different way to pray. Religion are coming from long time. Whenever there is difference in opinion, difference in belief or faith, that is when religion was formed. But now what I see is that religion is the way of differentiate or discriminate. Sometimes I imagine that if there is it possible a world where there is no differentiation or discrimination. Now if we see, there is a difference on various levels, difference on color of skin, difference on people's profession, economic status. There is difference on religion. Even in religion also there are caste and subcaste and so many differences. Also difference is based on the location or place, and that is what make different language, different culture. Every religion has different culture. So it is not about good or bad, but what I see, it is about the difference what is there on in the society, and religion is one of the kind of difference. At the end, the ultimate goal or purpose of every religion is similar. It is about the knowledge, it is about the humanity, it is about how to overcome the pain or how to basically get enlightened. But every religion follow different process and different mean, but ultimate goal of all the religion is similar. In our religion, Hindu, there are various belief, various god and goddess, and our belief is that Brahma is the creator, Vishnu is the operator, and Shiva is the like destroyer or transformer. Religion has the power to bring good thing in the society and change the society. Religion people follow, but some people also they change their religion. This is something I got to know surprising, that yes, there are people who change their religion for some benefit. This was really surprising for me. I was not knowing, but later on I got to know. And there are people who, this is when I see that the promoter of one particular religion, they make other religion, other people to join their religion with some giving some benefit. This is the way, because some religion want that entire world has to follow that particular religion. This is some misguiding I see in the society. Misguidance. There has to be free will, and everybody has their own, like parents, we born our parents lifelong will never change. It will be, parents will be the same parents. Changing religion, I feel it is about changing the root, changing the parents, changing mother. People change their nationality, country, that all okay. My view, because in this topic it have been asked my view, change of religion is something I don't accept. This is something beyond my imagination, but it's okay for the people. Everybody has their free will. So thank you very much for this topic, Sherry sir. Usually in any discussion or conversation, it is being said not to talk on religion, but you asked to speak on religion. So thank you very much. See you everyone in next video.